All right, I know you want to see this secret unveil, right? You want to see what Doug's talking about today. And I'm talking about a pink Anker charger. Who would have thought I would be speaking about a pink Anker charger? Even Nikki always goes with the elegant white when she wants pretty things. This is for our beautiful daughter who's going on a long trip. She has an iPhone and there's no way the battery was going to last for this long trip, so this was perfect. This is 5,000 milliamp hour batteries, which in English will charge like an iPhone 14, maybe an iPhone 13, something, a new iPhone 15. This won't charge it, but this will give you a lot of hours of extra use for streaming, watching videos, all that kind of stuff. So it is perfect for that. Plus it has the MagSafe technology. So this just magnetically attaches to the back of the phone while she's wasting time streaming on the airplane, and it will keep it running for her whole trip, which is absolutely perfect. It is a beautiful pink. It is from Anker. Anker has never failed us. Just so you know, if you're using it and you want to keep it charged USB-C, you can plug it in and charge your phone at the same time that this charges. So you could really get a really long run time if you got some power around. In any case, this is perfect for a beautiful young lady who's going on her trip, long trip, wants to be able to stream the whole time. And just in case you were curious, now this is a little bit, I'm gonna have to ding Anker. Why is it only a white cord? Shouldn't it be pink to match? Shouldn't it be pink to match? Pink. This should be pink to match, but we're gonna accept it in pink and white. Perfectly versatile for what she's doing. A 5 out of 5 on the Doug score for me for what she needed. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time with something in black.